At the very end of Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 55th verse, Krishna is telling, listen everyone, do you want to know my weak point? Bhakti mama vijanati yavanyashtasmi tattvataha. Tato mam tattvato gyatva vishate taranantaram. One can understand me as I am, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, only by devotional service. And when one is in full consciousness of me by such devotion, he can enter into the kingdom of God. Bhakti mam avijanati. Avijan janati. One can fully understand me by love. So, and also other places he says, Aham bhakta pradino. Aham bhakta pradino. Krishna becomes vasibhut. He becomes controlled by his devotees. Devotee means his lovers. And lovers control him. So Krishna is easily controlled by love. But the difficult thing is to get that love, to attain that state of dedication, where one actually falls in love with Krishna. Is that it's not so easy.